Hey everyone, welcome to Spartan V for all your hair cutting and hair system needs. Today I'm going to be putting a hair system on a guy called Stuart. He's come all the way from Wales for a fitting. I'll go into a bit more detail in a minute. But first of all, thank you to Lavivid for sponsoring the video, because we are going to be using the Lavivid Helios again. Brilliant hair system. So, let's crack on. So this is Stuart. He has receded and basically most of the hair has gone out the front and it started to go a bit more at the back. We were initially thinking of having a front partial, but due to the density of the hair at the back, it's not really going to work. It's going to be too obvious. So what we're doing, we're actually going for a full hair system just behind the crown, and he's got enough hair on the side where, you know, we can just put it not too low down on the head. So one thing I asked him today as well was if I could actually do it with, you know, a receding hairline to make it look ultra realistic, and he's happy for that. So I'm quite looking forward to this. So let's get cracking and show you what's going to happen.
Mine was better than this. Really happy with that. Got some hair at last.
Like it?
Yeah.
Feel it look strange?
Yeah. Loving that. Got something I can do something with now.
Length right?
Yeah, yeah. Not too short, not too long. Happy days. Lovely that is.
And there you go, all done. Another happy customer. He is really happy with what he's had done. It was really realistic on him, and he's actually sent a video as well. So I said, you know, give it a couple of days. He sent the video to sort of just give a little bit of a breakdown of reactions and stuff. So here it is.
Well, had the system done about 2 days ago, which was about the 11th, I presume, with Spartan V, Sam. Really giving my confidence back. I've wandered around seeing different family members just to see if they would sort of spot anything. I went over my mother's and she sort of was like, oh, I didn't even recognise that you'd had anything done, which was great, like, you know. So that gave my confidence a huge boost. I've just been to the gym as well and had a good wander around, literally just going around just to see if anybody would say anything. And nobody picked up on it. It's really given me a confidence boost now to go out, you know. I had like quite wavy hair before I had the system with Sam, and I can't thank you enough, Sam. Thanks very much. Thumbs up. Cheers, mate.
To get messages like that is pretty awesome, and makes me feel really happy that I can give that confidence to someone else who, you know, who really wanted to, you know, look in the mirror and be like, you know what, I can have hair, I can play with it again. Lots of different reasons, but, you know, he's gained that confidence back in himself, which is really good. So as usual, thanks for watching. More content on the way.